abatura abarkwegitira mu kibina cyabo ecy'Amatongo Lost Land Recovery Families Organization nubo bayesharinga ubu barkwetombetera government ya Uganda yababinjiro mu itaka ryabo mu mwaka gwa 2020 na 2083 kandi abinji batwiro mu makagabanyabuzare babo no mu kupangisa na hati bakikirizwaga ngo bagaruko mu itaka ryabo icyo bagemeserizo kutahakesharingwaka
Abululu bwawe natutuli matuika Bundibugyo abakike kulaka tutuika kunde tukukukomaga bulikiro abana bali matuika asukuru makoma sante.
It is our constitutional right to have land, and there is no any place where we can go apart from Matongo. So it is an appeal for us as a community of Matongo government to give us our land.
Cornelius Bakechura or chairman wa Matongo Lost Land Recoveries Family Organization na jango bakabingo mu itaka ryabo obahabaho buruire bwo mbyamo omwaka gwa 2020.
In 1920 there was an outbreak of sleeping sickness that invaded this area, which forced the government, by then the British government, to advise people to leave the place as a protection of their life.
Oguna jangu bwa nyuma y'emyaka 2 bakagarukayo konka bagaruka bababingayo.
Went back to their land and enjoyed their land from 1992 to 1983. Then when Obote II came back, he evicted them unconditionally without giving a reason. At least for the first time, it was because of sleeping sickness. And even when it was gazetted a forest reserve in 1932, the government could not consider to compensate the owners.
Banyuma yakesharingo kabo abebembezi babo bija aha office ya RDC hamwe na chairman w'entebe ya 5 ahi baba batwire barahayo kushaba ngo nyencha kare bazo mu itaka ryabo eri baba binjiremo konke kitabasika
Abo kuba bya government yone baso kubacereza ngo tukujya mweshongora bityo kujima ubwire nibuza kwika twafuta mu pressure gakira amano kuyabagambira already twahandike no kwandika n'ibishano byanyu babirebire kugira ngo eyije estamini imwe ibagambire icyo gukora.
Chairman w'entebe ya 5 ahabwa Bundibugyo na yoreka ngo bonka district tibini itaka eri kutaha baturaba.
We don't have any land that can actually accommodate this people. As a district, we are also curtailed. We have a challenge of land. The only available piece of land now is that one which was donated to Bundibugyo district local government by World Harvest Mission, and they were using it as an airstrip.
Obulimi tetukya bulina ngabo bwali eri gonja amatoke biki byali mutaka eryo entana z'abantu bafwezi izo ziri eyo.
The president, please come for our rescue. You are the point of honor. You are citizen number 1, and these are your voters. How can we suffer in the hands of a parent? You are our parent.
Itakeri niringana square miles 130 kandi amakagaro kurengo mu 2028 nubo batineho kuza banyuma yo kubingwa ahitakeri gasha ko giye Batmangus.